Extension Company was established in 2009. Specialize in SMT line solution. Buy and sell used equipment for 13 years. Sold over 200 lines to Europe, South America, Asia. Helped thousands of factories build up their SMT line. And we have stable cooperation with Osram, Huawei, Tesla, Inventec, Samsung, Hisense, Foxconn, Jabil, VTECH for many years. If you have required to purchase machine or build new factory, just feel free to contact us anytime. 18 years experienced engineer team will provide you the most professional solution. Let us discuss about the workshop planning, staff training, production management and component management. No matter you choose us or not, I would like to share some more market situation with you.